You know that moment, folks, when something small goes wrong and you don't panic at first? You're working, everything seems normal, and then you click on a file and it just doesn't open. Maybe it's a photo, maybe it's a video, maybe it's an entire folder you really needed right now. Guys, that's exactly how most data loss stories begin. No explosions, no warning signs, just a quiet "this file can't be opened" message. My name is Daniel, and today we are talking about Wondershare Recoverit. I'll show you how it works, how it helps in real recovery situations, and why having backups alone doesn't always save you. If you've ever dealt with data loss, you'll want to know what your options are. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. Right now, Wondershare offers monthly plans with discounts of up to 40%, so definitely take a look if you're considering trying it. Let's get into it. Alright mates, at its core, Wondershare Recoverit is a data recovery tool for Windows and macOS. It's designed to help you recover lost, deleted, or corrupted files from internal and external drives, SD cards, USB sticks, and other storage devices you use every day. Photos, videos, documents, and even creative project files that you thought were gone for good. But here's the important part. Recoverit isn't trying to replace your backups, and it doesn't pretend that backups never fail. It exists specifically for the situations backups don't cover. When a drive suddenly stops behaving, when files are corrupted after a transfer, or when data disappears even though you did everything right and followed all the usual rules. Guys, this happens more often than we like to admit. External drives fail, file systems get damaged, power cuts interrupt transfers. A backup can exist and still be partially unreadable, or completely useless when you actually need it. And that's usually the moment people realize that backup and recovery are two very different things. Recoverit is built to handle that exact gap. It scans storage devices directly, looks for recoverable data beneath the surface, and shows you what can realistically be restored. Not guesses, not promises, but actual files you can preview and recover. That's why it's not about replacing good habits. It's about having a second line of defense when those habits aren't enough. Now, friends, let's talk about how this actually works in practice. I am connecting an external drive to my computer right now. This drive contains photos, videos, and documents, and some of these files are either missing or unreadable. I am opening Wondershare Recoverit, and the first thing you notice is how straightforward the interface is. No complicated setup, no confusing options. Folks, I simply select the external drive from the list and hit Start. Recoverit immediately begins scanning. You don't need to configure anything. The scan runs automatically and files start appearing almost right away. Guys, I'm not going to make you sit through the full scan, but what matters is what happens next. Recoverit organizes the results clearly and even highlights important lost files, especially photos and videos. That means you're not blindly searching through thousands of items. Friends, you can preview files directly inside the app. This part is huge. Before recovering anything, I can click on a photo or a video and see if it's actually usable. No guessing, no wasted time. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now I'm selecting the files I want back and clicking Recover. Recoverit asks me where I want to save them. And this is important, mates. You always choose a different drive than the one you're scanning. I confirm the location and the recovery process starts. A moment later, the files are restored. Original names, original formats, and when I open them, they work exactly as expected. Guys, that feeling when you realize the file is actually saved, that's why recovery software exists. So guys, what does all this mean? Real data security isn't about one single tool. Backup helps prevent data loss. Recovery helps you respond when prevention fails. One prepares you, the other gives you a second chance. Recoverit doesn't promise miracles, but it gives you visibility into what's still recoverable and a real opportunity to get important files back. Without a recovery tool, there's often no second option at all. Backup is important. Recovery is essential. I'll leave a link below if you want to learn more about Wondershare Recoverit. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.